Okay, so
lining, rhinestones gone.
Yeah, those rhinestones, I wanted to see if they are like the same width.
Wow.
They're pretty comparable.
So can I open one of them?
Yeah.
Are they the same?
Yes.
Okay. That would change it so much.
Yeah.
And that is almost the exact width. There's maybe a 16th of an inch difference, but it's like, you came with ideas. I love that.
Yeah.
I love that.
And there is a lot of it.
Yes.
So there's 12 yards in total.
Wow. That would change it quite a bit,
I see the color difference.
Oh, yeah.
Too.
Oh, yes.
It'll brighten it a lot.
That's wild. Okay. And what are your other thoughts?
Really, those are the big ones.
Okay.
Other than just making it fit.
Yeah.
And then, like, I didn't notice this last time I was here, how it just kind of comes out a wee bit.
Yeah.
Just get that.
Okay.
It'll fit it a little better. I like the back.
So fit, lining, neckline, the mesh, and the rhinestones are big points.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Are you able to like add more fabric to the bottom to make it just
More.
a little poof out a little bit more?
Not necessarily,
No?
because we don't
Okay.
have extra fabric.
That's totally fine.
However, sometimes when we pen it, sometimes it stands off of you a little bit more than what you're used to, because when it lays huge on you, it like lays close to your body and then lays out on the floor.
Yeah.
Whereas like once you hem it, it'll stand out a little bit better on its own, but it's not going to be like a big dress.
It'll have more movement.
A little
I
bit, yeah.
guess.
It'll have more movement. Yes,
Okay.
that's a good way of putting that.
That makes
It
sense.
won't be so stagnant at the bottom.
Cool. How much of a difference do you think a dry clean would make on this?
For the color. I think for the color of the lace, it would make a great deal of difference. I think
Yeah.
for the lining layers, I think that they're meant to be like a champagne-y nude color. And so I
Makes
don't
sense.
I don't know,
Okay, that's no worries.
unfortunately. You would be wanting like a white underneath?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it open all the way up? Or
Not
is
all
it
the way
like
that it
attached?
connects at the side seam here. So from here up, it's connected.
What do you think about these hats? Like on girls that are much smaller chested, they just feel a little wonky, you know?
Yeah.
Do you have like specific like smaller triangle type ones that can still like fill in this area without making it feel like I have so much empty space?
Yes, we do have some. They're not specifically triangular, but we have some pads that are thinner in size, so we can swap them out and they would have like less of a less volume.
Yeah.
And then with that, we would probably need to take in some bust darts because the pad is only filling in what the dress has to offer. And if you lessen the pad, then you have to lessen what the dress has to offer.
Oh,
So we have to
okay.
take in bust darts along with changing out the bust cups to accommodate for having a smaller chest than what the dress is intended for.
I see.
And so that's also what we're seeing here is that we would need a little bit of a dart here to make that lay flat to you, and then we would also do one through the center of the bust, make it lay a little bit nicer to you.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, that sounds good. I'm so excited.
Do you want to see what it would look like with white underneath it? Have you already tried that?
No, I haven't.
Let me go-
That's a good idea.
Let me go grab something. I think it would just be helpful to know like if that's actually what you want.
Yeah, like how important is it?
Yeah.
How much is it really going to change it?
Totally. And if we want to, we can like pin on some of our refreshed rhinestones too, because maybe that will give the lightening that we need.
Yeah.
Let's try both those.
Cool.
I brought two to try because you said white, but sometimes people mean ivory when they say white. Do you know if you have a preference between these two?
No.
Probably go for this just because it softens it a little bit. And so
Yeah.
let's try that. But if you want to try something brighter, we have this one too. Oh gosh, no, I kind of like it. Let's put the rhinestones on too. And I know that that's such a small little section. Is that giving you enough of an idea?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, it is such a huge difference.
It is stark difference. And it makes this look a little bit more silvery. So I don't know if that's what you're going for, but it makes this look, you can see the pewter in the lace a little bit more.
Yeah.
I'm going to try my best to pin this on, but it might fall off.
I can't believe how perfect the sizing of those are.
I know, you did really well.
It is like a much cleaner difference.
Yeah, this would change the look of it so much.
Mm-hmm.
But it
Especially
would
like
essentially be a custom dress.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's try it up there too. You did so well with finding
That's
this.
so perfect. That's crazy.
It is perfect.
Even just the sparkles, it just has more sparkle.
Yeah.
Like they're just a little aged, the ones that are on it. So do you think, in your professional opinion, looking at wedding dresses all day, altering them, do you think this difference is worth it?
That's tough because it's so based off of your opinion and your preference.
Sure.
Because what I'm gathering is your preference. I think that for sure the rhinestones are worth it.
Yeah.
The lining is where I'm like, I don't know if I understand your vision enough to be like, yes, that's 100% worth it. And also to me, so much of it comes down to how much work is it going to be? Because I'm like, would I do it for my own wedding dress if it's going to take me 20 hours? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And so I don't necessarily know if I can give you an answer.
No, it's
I think the rhinestones make a huge difference. And the lining would make a huge difference, but is it the difference that you want it to make? I think is what it comes down to.
My most favorite part about the dress is the lace.
Okay.
And how it's so different.
Yeah.
And the white underneath kind of takes away from it. Like you see it much better with this underneath.
That is true.
But I also want it to look clean.
Yeah.
Does that make sense? Not that it doesn't look clean now. It looks very clean.
Has a different vibe.
Yeah, yeah.
When you say clean, do you maybe mean brighter?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that is.
Another thing we could do is we could take off the rhinestones and send it for dry cleaning, because you can't dry clean with the rhinestones on it, or you can, but they use different solvents and stuff. We could take off the rhinestones, send it off for cleaning, see if that makes enough of a difference to you. But then you're also committed to the dry cleaning cost, and so it's like, do we take a chance on dry cleaning, or do we just take a chance on changing the lining?
It's going to need to be dry cleaned anyways.
Yeah.
I feel like the dry cleaning will lighten up the lace a lot.
I agree.
So maybe that will help achieve the like cleaner, lighter look that I'm trying to go for. I think that's a good starting point. Like take the rhinestones, dry clean it.
Mm-hmm. And then that would also give us a chance as we're taking off the rhinestones to get a look at the construction of the dress. And so that way we might also be able to give you a better idea of like, no, all the lace is sewn through all the layers and it's going to be a nightmare to unpick. This is how much it would cost to do the lining, and we might be able to give you a better estimate that way.
Yeah.
So that might be a good step to take.
Yeah, we can just leave the like underlining as a pending idea for now until we get a little deeper into it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you okay with that?
Yeah, that works.
Okay, let's do that. Wow, this is cool. I'm excited about this.
I'm so stoked.
I tore a hole in this just now because the other gem line came right here and they had it glued right here. I don't know why they had it glued. And so I gave it a little tug and it just absolutely ripped through this. So we'll have to patch that and make that look better, but I'm mortified. Hate that. I think I have to, right?
Is there a way that you could use an embroidery thread? But slowly?
I have no idea. My main concern would be getting into the dress to do that. I think I need to draw lines though, otherwise I'm gonna...
I thought the gemstones were hanging on back.
Oh my gosh, that would be amazing.
Right.
Could I make that with our interface stuff? Because that would be so much faster. Like our double-sided hem tape stuff that we have. Even if I could just use that to place it, that would make my life so much easier.
Yeah,
and then
honestly.
sew it.
I don't know. I don't know if it's strong enough to hold.
I'm gonna try doing it just to a ribbon first and then...
Oh, that's gonna be so nice.
Okay, my question is though, because the tape is way thicker than this, so I think I need to cut it down so it doesn't get sticky stuff all over the dress, right?
Yeah.
Because it's fine if it's thinner.
Right.
Yeah, that's so smart. And then I can use double. Wow, that's awesome. Okay, I'm gonna make sure I can
adhere that to a fabric before I go through all this trouble. You're a genius. Oh my gosh.
Changer. At that point, how much would you need to like actually tag it down?
I think I would just do like a running stitch through the center of it maybe, and just do it like pretty big.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think that is so smart. Oh, that's gonna save you so much time.
Yeah, that's awesome. Freaking genius.
Is it working?
Yes,
Yay.
so well.